Hello, this is Steve George with Qlik's Gold Client team. In this short video, I want to provide some important content around the parallel processing configuration and the impact it can have when those settings are undefined. This video's agenda will consist of these items: what is the problem, the root cause, the solution, and what other resources are available. The problem is that when users attempt to initiate an export or import, the job may not be submitted, and Gold Client will respond with various messaging. This first message appears in Client Exporter, Client Importer, and Export Control. These messages appear in DataSnap and Import Control respectively. The root cause is that the parallel processing configuration settings are undefined. This can occur when Gold Client has been installed into a new environment, but it also occurs when the environment was refreshed by a system copy, which wipes out these settings. Thankfully, the solution is simple. These important settings must be defined. To do so, go to the Gold Client dashboard and select the Configuration button. On the next screen, open the Administration folder and then select the Parallel Processing executable. Use either the default setting named Select Own Servers or choose Message Server Picks Servers. Set the value in the Max Jobs per Server at one time field accordingly. Qlik defaults this value to 1, but freely increase it. If you chose the Select Own Servers setting previously, you must choose at least one server, but you can choose multiple servers or even all of them. When finished, you must select the Execute button, not the Save button, to save your changes. Here is a bit more content that you may find useful. Qlik recommends that the parallel processing config be maintained only by the basis team. When selecting servers, be sure to choose only those servers which have the NFS mount to the Gold Client directory. There are other settings within the parallel processing config, but Qlik has provided default values and the need to update them is rare. Additional content is available within the Configuration and Utilities User Guide located on Qlik's Help website. And of course, if additional support is required, a support case can always be submitted. I hope this video provided the content you were searching for. Have a terrific day.